Hi, I'm Ian Stables, Senior Project Manager here at Berthon Boat Company, and this is Brynhilde, a 1958 Bermudian sloop designed by Fred Parker. As every owner of a traditional wooden boat knows, launching your yacht after a year or so ashore, with timbers drying out and seams opening up, can be a stressful moment. Berthon are well used to dealing with traditionally constructed timber vessels, and some careful planning with auxiliary pumps, plenty of time to allow the vessel to hang in the slings after launch, to allow the timber to take up moisture, the seams to plim up, and leaks to slow to a trickle are all factored into launch day. Fortunately, in Brynhilde's case, none of our additional precautions were needed, with just a slight trickle of water from a plank seam underneath the mast making it into the hull. This was easily managed by the bilge pump and will slow over time as the hull planking moisture content increases again and the seams close up. With the hull watertight and the bilge pump easily able to cope with the small trickle finding its way into the bilge, the lifting slings were released and Brynhilde moved under the mast crane. When Brynhilde arrived at Berthon, she was fitted with an aluminium masthead rig. The original Fred Parker sail plan illustrated a much more elegant fractional rig, and Berthon worked with specialist spar builder Collars to manufacture a new hollow spruce mast to the original design. Traditions die hard among seafarers. Sailors and shipwrights have been putting coins under masts for several thousand years, and still do today. They've been found in the mast steps of ancient Roman shipwrecks and Viking longboats. The hope, still, is the offering will bring good luck and safe passage. In 1877, when Berthon first started operating at the Lymington shipyard, it would have been a gold sovereign. But for Brynhilde, the owner requested a silver shilling from 1958 was set below the mast before stepping. Berthon's in-house rigging team began work stepping the new mast, which was lifted temporarily into position where we could finalise measurements for new wire shrouds, forestay and backstay. With measurements taken, the mast was lifted out, standing rigging manufactured, the mast dressed and stepped, complete with coin under the heel and the rigging tensioned. With the mast stepped, the electrical team were busy once again, connecting the mast electrics and installing the Ray Marine instrumentation. She was finally beginning to look like a boat again.